We can now reveal what happened to the Christchurch house deliberately flooded to test waterproofing technology. The experiment is part of a search for ways to protect homes that have become flood-prone after the earthquakes. Holly Karen with the results.
There's no moisture on the back of these weatherboards.
As far as red-zoned houses go, this one's been through more than most. It's the chosen site of a flood protection experiment. Last week, vents were covered and floodgates installed before the house was sprayed with a waterproof coating. Then flooded with 2,000 litres of water, and it's been sitting in this pond since.
I had the water level up to within 80 mil of the top, and they performed really well.
It's one of the short to mid-term options being considered to mitigate flood risk in areas like the Flockton Basin, where they've experienced land drop after the earthquakes. Engineers expect without any proofing I'd be standing in water up to my knees right now. The only issue they've had, some minor flooding in the foundations.
There has been some water come up through the foundations. That's been adequately dealt with by the little 2-inch pump we've got below the floor.
All expected in a house so badly damaged.
It was probably the worst case of a home. There was a lot of rot in some of the weatherboards, there was some borer, so they had some real issues to deal with, and that gave them some uncertainty.
Engineers will look at the effectiveness of the system, the logistics and costs involved before reporting back to the City Council. Holly Karen, One News.